Today we're going to make this easy nativity craft that you can use as a decoration or as puppets.
For today's craft, you're going to need some scissors, a pencil, glue, paper in a variety of colors. I also have some markers and I have a crayon here. If you have markers, crayons, pencil crayons, go ahead and grab them as well. I'm using pink for the cheeks, but you don't have to. I am also using some black. I don't know why I have two black. I only need one. I'll just get rid of that guy. And I'm using some brown. You can see here I have a variety of colors that I am using. I'm using blue for Joseph and a light blue for baby Jesus. I've got some pink and red for Mary, brown for some accents that we're using, and I'm using yellow for the faces. But these are not the colors you have to use. You can use whatever colors you happen to have. So go ahead and grab a bunch of colors that you have for paper, grab your crayons, your pencils, or your pencil crayons, and your scissors and glue and pencil, and let's get started. I'm going to start with Joseph first, and I'm going to make Joseph taller than Mary. So I'm going to use blue for that. The height that I'm going to show you today, I will measure for you, and I will also use a non-standard measurement just to help you out. So the height I think I'm going to use is this tall. So it's going to be from, if you make an L with your hand, it's going to be from here, your thumb, up to your top finger. So that's going to be the non-standard. So it's like an L. Just put the thumb at the bottom and tick at the top. That's your non-standard. If you want to use a ruler and you would like to measure, that is going to be about 12 centimeters. So it's 12 centimeters. And then when you're rolling, let's roll. I'm going to go to here. So when you're rolling, let's do non-standard. It's going to be your whole hand, right from your wrist all the way to the tip, your longest finger. And if you would like a measurement, let's measure. That's going to be about 15 centimeters. So hopefully that helps you out. And then all you do is draw your line across. You can use a ruler if you have it, or you can just do what I'm doing and draw the best you can. And draw down. And this is what you're going to be using to make Joseph. So go ahead and cut that out. I'm going to put that to the side. And now I'm going to make Mary. So for Mary, we are going to make it a little bit smaller. And I don't have much paper here, so it might actually just be this size. Oh, look at that. I think it's a perfect size. Let me just see. If I roll this one, that's the height, and that's the height. Oh, I do like it. So let me measure for you. Wow, that doesn't usually happen to me. I usually have to cut. But you're going to need whatever color you would like for Mary. You're going to need a piece of paper that's 9 centimeters tall. So this is where you want Mary to be 9 centimeters tall. So up here, the height. And if you want to know, it is, let's see, remember how we did the L for Joseph? You can see, whoa, it's too big. So you just want to go with the height of your finger from top all the way to underneath that knuckle. So that's a non-standard. And then across, it's going to be about 13 centimeters. It's going to be a little bit smaller than your hand. So remember here when we did a non-standard measurement for Joseph, it was all the way over. So this is just a little bit smaller. See? If you want to see, you can just see that one sits inside the other. I'm just going to trim mine because it's not really straight. Now, don't worry if it's not perfect. You're just making Mary and Joseph at different heights. So no worries at all. You just do the best that you can. Okay, now we have Joseph and we have Mary. Before we roll, I want to put a little bit of a decoration on here. So I want to grab a little bit of red, or whatever color you're using, on top of Mary's outfit here. And I'm going to put like a little red strip of paper down here. So it doesn't really matter how big it is. It could be about 1 centimeter. So if you're measuring, it's about a centimeter, or it's the width of your finger. And you just want it to go from top to bottom. So I'm going to have to do this. And I'm going to just trim that. And here, you want to go right in the middle. And it's going to go top to bottom. And you can see mine sticking out a little bit. So I'll just take my pencil. I'll measure there from the top. My pencil here. So I'm going to cut that and I'm going to glue that right on the piece of paper. So that one will get glued on there. And I'm going to do the same thing for Joseph, and I think I'm going to use a brown piece, but you could use whatever color you would like. You could even use the blue or the yellow. So I'm just going to make sure I have enough. I'm going to mark it off at the bottom here. So it's going to go from top to bottom. It's about 1 centimeter. If you need a ruler, go ahead and use a ruler, and you can use a ruler for this line as well. It's nice to have straight lines. I'm going to cut that out and I'm going to glue that on. So I'm going to glue both of those on. Go ahead and you can do the same. Now that I have those glued on, I'm just going to turn it over. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on one side. And when I say a little bit, I'm actually going to put a lot. So I'm going to put quite a bit of glue because I want it to stick. So I'm just going to put quite a bit of glue on there. And I'm going to roll it gently. So I'm rolling, 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 rolling to the other side. And I'm going to create a cylinder. Pushing with my fingers so that it sticks. I'm going to do the same thing with Joseph. Now it looks like my strip here is falling off. So if that happens to you, just add a little bit more glue. It means I didn't add enough glue. And I'm going to put that back on. To make baby Jesus, we're going to take our blue piece of paper and our pencil, and we're going to draw an oval shape. Now, you just want to make sure that you're drawing your oval shape so that it's the right size for Mary to hold. You don't want a tiny little one. You don't want something that's so super large. So just do your best. Start at one end of your piece of paper and come around. Draw your oval. And then you've got it. Once you have it, you cut that out. Now to make our faces, I am going to use my yellow, so choose what color you are going to use. And I find the easiest way to do this is to use the cap of your glue if you have one. And I use that one to draw Mary, and I just trace around. And so that's, whoop, Mary. To draw Joseph, I do the same thing, but instead of going all the way around, I start on one side. I go to the other and I stop, and then about 3/4 of the way down, I am just going to kind of draw a diagonal line. This will be the beard for Joseph. And then for baby Jesus, I'm putting a small head here, so I just want the head to be smaller, and I just draw a smaller circle for that. Once I have those, I am going to start with putting the hair. I'm using my brown, and for Mary, I'll just start kind of here. Just drew myself. Here's the middle. I just jump a little bit to the right, and I make a curved line that way, and I come down and make a curved line. I'm going to color that in eventually, and for baby Jesus, I'm going to do the same thing. And we'll color that in. And then for Joseph, I am going to make a beard. So just here where I brought in my line, I'm going to make a little diagonal line and then go to the other side diagonal. And then I'm going to come up for a mustache and around, leaving space for a mouth. And then I'm going to color in the beard. Now I am going to make a little smile for Mary. I'm going to go the opposite way for the eyes and then put some eyelashes, so just some curved lines here on the ends, a little curve for the nose. I am going to put some little curved lines here for baby Jesus with a little dot for the nose, and then Joseph. And then I'm going to use that pink and give Mary some pink cheeks. And I'm going to give baby Jesus some pink cheeks, and you could give Joseph some if you would like as well. And then I'm going to cut those out. I'm going to glue baby Jesus' face right to the top. You can see I'm leaving a little space around so it looks like he's all nice and covered. And then I'm going to take my black and I'm just going to go to one side and I'm going to draw a diagonal line to the other side. Come over to this side, draw a diagonal line lower, and go back a diagonal line to the bottom. For Mary, I am going to grab my red, but grab any color you want. I'm going to put Mary's head right over top, and I'm just going to draw a little line around. So I'm going to take my pencil to one side of her head. I'm going to draw up, and I'm just leaving, you can see space all around her head. Up, 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 around, 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 whoops, and down. And then I'm going to come and put a straight line here. So here you can see there's space all around. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to cut that out. And for Joseph, I'm going to use my blue. And I'm going to do something similar. So I'm going to put Joseph's head. I'm going to come down here, and I'm leaving space. So you can see there's space all around, I'm coming up, over, over, whoop, around, 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 and down. And this time, instead of going straight across, I'm just going to draw a diagonal line up to his beard, and then to this side, up to his beard. Hopefully you can see that. Then I'm going to cut those out. I'm going to glue their faces on and put everything together. Just going to trim this a little bit. I'm going to take my brown marker, you can use your crown or a pencil crown, and I'm going to draw a little line here at the top that goes across. I'm going to glue Joseph's face on. There we go. Put little baby Jesus right here with Mary. I like to put baby Jesus diagonal. Okay, I almost forgot. I need some more of my brown paper, and I'm going to make a staff for Joseph. And so I want to make a rectangle with a little curve at the end. So here I have my piece of paper, and we're going to have the staff be kind of come up and curl here. So this is about the length that it's going to be. So I'm going to draw a straight line, jump over, draw another straight line, come back to that first line. I'm going to come up and curve around. And I'm going to go to the second line and come and curve in. And there we go. I have my staff. I'm going to cut that out. And I am going to glue that on. Doesn't really matter what side. Put a little bit of glue. I like to put just a little bit of glue in the middle. And glue that diagonally. And there we go. We are all done. You can use these to stand up, or you can use them as little puppets. I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.